Okay, so here we are with the Jaguar front suspension. So got a bad bend right there. This was hammered in. I straightened it out yesterday. This is like a wavy boat. This bend I tried to straighten out yesterday with heat. Another kink right here. So it's pretty bent up, pretty warped. So how do I fix this stuff? I'm gonna have to, this one's gotta go in, obviously. I left these bushings in because from all the welding and warping, I imagine I would want it to. So you can see this one sits like that one, like that, and then this one is quite crooked. That one. Yeah, that's where I'm at right now in this thing. So what I did, I cut a plate. Right here. Cover the top. Make that strong again. Weld that on. And then I just wish I had one. I wish I had a good one, is what I wish, but yeah, it looks like it's got a little crack right here, I guess. There, not sure. I'm gonna finish cleaning inside there. And disassemble the motor mounts, but yeah, I just kind of don't know what to do to fix it. That's what's going on.